when the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name.
I'm Chelsea.
What are you doing?
What?
Are you sucking up to Dad first thing in the morning?
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
Warning, moving your leg is now strictly forbidden by forest law. Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
Слышу, вольер трясется, это Тёма пытается сам залезть на гамак. Смотрите, какая умничка. Ну, умничка, молодец.
What are you doing, honey bun? You get your tail.
One of my subscribers accidentally dropped their sunglasses into an orangutan enclosure and captured this amazing video.
Oh yeah, try to. Yes. Oh no.
Tight fit, but he's going for it anyway.
I can't see you. I can see you.
Go on, get!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Open the way!
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
He's not allowed up there. Get him down. Get that kitty.
Honestly, every house needs a dog like this.
Deer loves eating bananas.
He's really feeling the Halloween vibe.
The bond between a keeper and their animal is truly magical.
Cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
It's new! Come on, man! No!
And just like that, the dog has a new favorite person.
This is the moment every cat
Look
owner
what my
fears
cats
when
did.
chaos suddenly becomes very
Look
expensive.
what the cats did.
Mandua kisses are the new trend. Bag, and the club's won.
What do you smell? What is that?
That would not be very
Senior pup secretly does army crawl.
There you go, little buddy.
Hydration support for a thirsty squirrel.
That's a very special kind of comfort.
Got so upset.
Oh my!
Male sage grouse perform this display every spring in the same spot, called a lek, to attract females.
Was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened. I think this guy might owe this pigeon some money.
It's a pigeon! How does a pigeon go 60? What?
Vai prendere la posta. Porta, porta. Andiamo.
When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks.
Hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead. Exact moment when these horses realized that it was a little too cold outside.
Mantua kisses are the new trend.
Boy suddenly became a very dangerous mission.
What did you?
Looks like... Oh! Looks like we had a bit of beef jerky. Tasty! Looks like we... Hey! Hey!
Store kept trying to hide.
This one whisker though looks cut. Like it's a little.
Mia probably bit it off.
The world's most heavy-duty babysitters to the rescue.
the real reason behind the balding tail.
That's a bit too much help.
What is it?
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks.
Push him! Push him! Push him! Kill him, Dad!
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Para allá. Venga, gracias.
¡Qué bueno, tío!
Monkey was amazed by this magic trick.
Pollo, ¿usted qué salta?
Dreamer poop?
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh,
give me
man. You poop? Oh, yeah?
Friends, trust me, you're gonna love today's video.
Forget.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
This is Frankie's first trip, and she totally nailed it.
Hey, little guys. Ooh.
Come here, you want a treat? You want a treat? Come here.
Oh my god!
Would you like this?
The best kind of workout partner? The one who never blinks. Been watching you.
I feel like the fake perfume. There's a cat. Oh my. Hello, sir?
Wind therapy with the side.
Sì, mi stai tirando un po' tanto. Aia, ti avevo chiesto un...
Pure comfort right there.
Wait, oh, Pigeon Tower.
It looks like he's laughing.
Bag, and the club's won.
Get off. Kitty,
Get down.
He's actually enjoying this way too much.
Cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Taco?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Then grab the mouse by the tail.
I'm trying to. Not good.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Cat was chasing this mouse when it totally lost track of it.
Watch out. Hey. Not too close. Here comes the cub out this side, baby.
I don't know. Hey.
Couldn't figure out where she went.
He's chicken. Yeah.
Cutting down a dead tree when a surprise popped out.
Oh my god, gunk bird, go fly. So close, we're here. There's the gunk. Oh.
Found the real-life Snow White.
My god, you guys, he's on me.
Got this. Oh yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
He's sleeping like tomorrow's somebody else's problem.
For being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now. Be good.
This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills?
Alligators like to chase laser pointers too.
This is,
Wow. What's he think it is?
oh my gosh.
The bear. Behold, an apex predator.
Слышу, вольер трясется, это Тёма пытается сам залезть на гамак. Смотрите, какая умничка. Ну, умничка, ну, молодец.
All they're missing is popcorn.
They will. Look, he just has to... Yeah.
Knocked the phone, then handled the witness. This cat leaves no loose ends.
Is this the new 10-step skincare routine? A Tamandua deep cleaning facial?
He's officially failed the spooky test.
Fai prendere la posta. Porta, porta. Andiamo?
just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
For being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now.
Oh!
The puppy stayed humble, which is probably the smartest choice in this situation.
Aww. He's shy.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Pure comfort right there. Can't lie. This one's a 10 out of 10.
Got a cage? No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage car.
He's so cute.
Looks like the start of a new friendship. For a bite, but that's not happening.
What is it? Why are you staring at me?
Someone's really serious about Halloween decor.
Hey, I'm not gonna take your pumpkin.
Bro. Oh, what? The what?
Mashallah.
For a bite, but that's not happening.
Hi, Mary. Long time no see.
What do you have to say about him? Mary, are you mad at us?
When your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren.
Never know when squirrels might attack.
Friends, trust me, you're gonna love today's video.
Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed.
He's ready to make some serious moves.
If you love these cute moments, hit that like button. You'll even see a special cat icon pop up. Tell us in the comments which encounter.
He's sleeping like tomorrow's somebody else's problem. Those ears changed everything.
walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
When the floor tastes better than expected.
Is this the new 10-step skincare routine? A Tamandua deep cleaning facial?
This is what a snoring porcupine sounds like.
Slowly touch. Good. This one whisker though looks cut. Like it's a little.
Mia probably bit it off. This feels like the first step toward friendship after proper cat approval.
You got perfect, precious snuggle baby. And then you got demon from hell.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
Oh my god, oh my god, he's pulling it over. Look at this. One arm.
Oh my god.
One arm and it's done.
Wow.
Like nothing.